Hi guys, if you are looking to register your personal or business address on Google Maps, here's the easy steps. Just click on Maps, click Contribute, Add Place, click on Place my name place. You can add your business name here, like I'm adding New Court. Just giving you an example. I'm putting category of it's bakery. Now I'm adding my address. It could be the journal address that I am adding, like Grey Street, London, UK. So I can check my location accuracy as well by switching to satellite view for more clear picture. Now I can pin my location to the exact one, like this is my store. I just added it, and also you can add the location within the town or the residency in which your location is, if you are having floor or etc, or you can skip it as well. Here you can add the business hours for your business. I'm editing Monday to Friday, it's 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, now I can add some pictures for my business as well. There could be any. I can choose from my gallery, or I can capture it. So I'm putting a random picture here. So I just submitted my location and it will be approved after 15 to 20 minutes. And when I got approval, I got notification here in you. When you click on view, click on bell icon, and here your edit will be, if your edit got live, you're gonna get notification here. Thank you for watching the video, and in next video I will let you know how to verify get blue tick on business on Google My Business. Thank you.